In this video, we'll show you how to calibrate your laptop's battery. So you may have noticed as your laptop gets older, it doesn't hold charge like it used to before. So this usually happens due to, of course, the battery degradation which happens over time. But another reason why this happens is because of the communication issues between the battery and the Windows itself. So as a result, the battery percentage that you see here on the taskbar is wrong. So to fix this, you can calibrate your laptop's battery. For that, you'll first need to charge your laptop to 100%. Once you're charged to 100%, leave it plugged in for another hour. After that, unplug the charger. Now simply use your laptop like usual and let the battery die. Once the battery dies completely and your laptop shuts down, plug the charger back in again and then charge your laptop to 100% again. Once you do this, the battery will be calibrated and you should see the correct battery percentage all the time. So you'll need to repeat this calibration process every few months to ensure that the battery percentage is always correct. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.